Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to play a sound and find lost TV remote. Method 1. Install Google Home app in mobile phone. I already installed. Let me open. Here we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Tap on this devices tab. Here we need to add TV. Already added TV here. See. If you want to add, you can tap on this add button over here. Tap on this TV name. Tap on the settings icon on top right corner. And here you can see find my remote. Tap on that. Then tap on play sound. See, this way we can play sound on TV remote. And we can find lost TV remote. If you want to stop this sound, you can tap on stop here. Or you can press any button on the remote. This is a method 1. Method 2. In some TV, you can find a button to play sound on remote. You just press that button, so that way we can play sound on remote and we can find lost TV remote. That is a method 2. So these are two methods to please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.